I did have a couple of wins this last week, a lot of wins. And I had a great conversation yesterday with this thing, the Doxy Bracey Center for Human Reconciliation out of Boston, Massachusetts, because I want to speak there. They have money, they have trustees, they have a board of directors, and they can be a platform for my message to the world. So I talked with them yesterday at 3. I'm doing an event for them on February 22nd. So I'm very excited about that. That happened. That was a dream come true.
Doing this challenge prompted me to reach back out to them and just say like, hey, are you still doing your podcast? Still would like to come on and be a guest, which then led to them inviting me to actually speak in person at an event they did this past weekend, and made some more connections there. Got a couple of video testimonials that I can now use in conjunction with my one sheet. And now this person is working on building bigger and bigger events, and I'm someone that they now want to keep in their network because they like my presentation. So they're like, hey, we want you to come back and do more stuff in the future.
And when I wrote that, the next day I actually had a message from another physician who said, I was one of them. Let's talk.
It's just a process. I keep getting new contacts, and contacts that I would have never found.
I've got a speaking gig in a few weeks' time, but the planner came back to me and said one of the other speakers had let them down, and could I find a replacement? So I have done that, and they've accepted my recommendation, but I've told the other guy his job is to make me look good.
A child from some university in San Francisco told her mother to hire me because she's an event planner. So like she told her mother, and she has hired me for 4 events already.
I just wanted to let you know about some things that I did as a result of this program that I would not have done otherwise. And specifically, I joined this course because I wanted the process of what it takes to get paid to speak. I wanted that process to be demystified, and it's certainly done that. I've been talking with the Tennessee Association of Professional Insurance Agents, the Tennessee Society of Certified Public Accountants, and then also some chambers and rotaries and things like that. I would not have done that had I not been in this course.
One really good conversation with a company I didn't know about that's in the business of providing services to nonprofit associations. And they've got a department that manages speakers.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah, who knew, right?
Would you have had that conversation if you didn't do this challenge?
No.
Yes.
That's what you got me to do.
Thanks to this program, I reached out to a company, a client that I've been working with, because I know they work with a lot of HR directors, that sort of people. Had a conversation yesterday with a lady, really interested in the story overall, and then went on to say, yeah, I've got 38 middle managers that really need training in XYZ. I'm going to have a conversation with my CEO on Monday, would really like to then have another discovery call and let's, take it further. So yeah, really good. Wouldn't have done it otherwise. And there's other people that I can reach out to. So great push, kick up the backside. Thank you.
So, Hillary, thank you for trusting me. Thanks for being here. And for you and David and everyone who got a breakthrough. The point is, you get that breakthrough, then you realize, hey, it's possible. Until you believe it's possible, till you believe it, not think it, till you believe it's possible, you're not going to make another call, or your enthusiasm's going to wane. Now we just got to get a few more of those breakthroughs, and then momentum starts happening.
I'm on a stage this Saturday. They called me and asked me for the 3rd time in a row in 3 years consecutively to speak at this event. So I'm getting lots of accolades that are making me feel really good. And that gives us confidence as speakers, doesn't it? That people see our worth and, like Darren said, see our passion. And so, yeah, lots of really cool things happening.
Mm-hmm. The only way your fantastic speech ever gets seen by the world is if you're willing to do this work.
Bam.